Here I have BLUBOO Picasso, and today I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset operation on this device to remove pattern, pin or other screen lock method if you forget it. So what you have to do is to turn it off by holding power key, then you tap power off. OK. When the device is completely turned off, what you have to do is to hold down the combination of keys power key in the volume up to enter boot mode. As soon as the boot mode appears, you just release both keys. Use volume up to navigate through the boot mode and volume down to confirm your actions. Let's choose the first option, recovery mode, by pressing volume down. When the Android logo appears, what you have to do is to hold power key and tap volume up once to enter recovery mode. In the recovery mode, you have to select the option wipe data and factory reset. Then you select yes, delete all user data. Wait for about 10 seconds for all data to be deleted. And next, you just have to select reboot system now. And after that, your phone will be restarted and there will be no lock screen at all. And as you can see, there is no pattern here, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.